that beautiful hair we gave Gail. Oh my God, it's so gorgeous. Yay. So what do you think, Missy?
I love it. Thank you so much.
Yay.
It's fantastic.
All right, so this is Gail.
Hello.
Gail, tell me about your beautiful hair. Now, this is thick hair.
It is thick.
Yeah.
It's been about probably a year since I've had it cut, and I would like it somewhat layered and formed.
Great. Can I see the back of it?
Sure.
Okay, so look, she's already, you know she's got curl. Right? She's got a lot of weave in there, a lot of curl. So let's look where her last layer was, all the way down here. So she has layers from here, but she needs some layers up here. This is just a lot of hair where we want to take a little bit of texture out, not a ton. We still want her to have thick hair, but we want it to be movable. We want the hair to have some movement in it. But right now it's just so thick that it's like, it's stuck there. All right, guys. So stay tuned. We're getting ready for Gail's transformation.
No, I think
He's all in. So let me just say something real quick.
So they
All right, these are my tools
It's right in that.
that I'm going to use for her hair. Let me show you.
But I was Middletown.
She's got a cowlick.
So we
Look
have
at
three
this right
different
here.
schools.
See this
Three different
cowlick?
middle schools.
When you
And
push hair down
the class
and it
was
just
huge.
goes where it wants, see that cowlick? How
I mean,
it's
I'm
jumping
sure
up?
your face is
Okay?
bigger
So we
now.
got to be careful of that. You have less pressure on
We
it.
had
We're
three
going to do a little
different
triangle.
elementary schools.
Bam! Look at that beautiful hair we gave Gail. Oh my God, it's so gorgeous. Yay! So what do you think, Missy?
I love it. Thank you so much.
Yay!
It's fantastic.